On the occasion of World Heart Day, Manipal Hospitals organized an awareness event in all its units regarding CPR. Senior cardiologist Doctors Ranjan Shetty, Sridhara, Lalchand and Devananda explained and demonstrated to people from all walks of life about how to do a CPR. A digital dummy was set up in the hospital lobby which was used to demonstrate CPR.
So, cardiac arrest is when the person is unconscious. It is the most severe form of cardiac heart attack, and the person here is unconscious. There are many reasons for unconsciousness, but in cardiac arrest, the person is totally limp, there is no heart activity, and he is not able to breathe. So, for people, what we advise is look for signs of breathing. If the person is signs of life, if the person is moving, if the person is breathing, look for breathing, or if you can look at the pulse, look for pulse. If these things are not there, first thing you need to do is immediately call for help. Make sure that there are people with you and then start doing CPR. I am going to demonstrate it on this mannequin here. So look for the chest, rib cage, lower part of rib cage, where both the rib cage join together. That is the part which we need to concentrate. We need to be slightly above it. Hold your hand one over another, hand over another, and the force has to come from the shoulder, not from elbow. So you can't be like this, you have to be like this. Now there are two other questions: how much and how frequent. So you need to press so that it goes at least 2 inches down and comes back. So at least 2 inches down and back. Give enough time to recoil, and you should be doing 100 counts a minute. 100 counts a minute. So that's a good number. So 100 times a minute, 2 inch or 5 centimeter down, allow enough to recoil. Do not concentrate on breathing. You could just ask somebody to hold the neck little extended to maintain the airway, but you do not have to give mouth to mouth breathing to these people. Very important. Everybody is tired after 2 minutes. So it's very important for you to make sure there is one more person with you who is on the other side of the patient. Exactly after 2 minutes, make sure that person takes over and starts giving CPR. So this is what we do. If you do a successful CPR, you increase the chance of survival, but at least by 4 to 5 fold. That's a big number, because without CPR only 7% survive. You could make a big difference, and this is the first aid you need to learn and not anything else.